Prioritization matrices have become more and more common across our SEO projects due to how much they help our team prioritize large lists of recommendations, whether it's to create net new pieces of content for the site or to update the existing pages. Due to how common these are, I wanted to share how I've been using Chat GPT to make the process a little bit more efficient. Anthony on the team created this awesome template that we'll be sharing in the link below. And for this specific exercise, I was looking at the Seer blog pages that's within our within our Insights subfolder to see which pages we may need to update based on all of this data. So for this, I exported a list of total keywords and top 20 keywords from Semrush, as well as some other organic data, clicks, impressions, and conversions, and added all of this data into this sheet. This includes a total of, I think, over 1,400 different pages that are within our Insights subfolder. So next, I would usually either create some sort of formula and range within these scoring columns in order to prioritize each on a scale of 5 to 1, with 5 being the most important and 1 being the least important. Or even worse, may manually look at these one by one and create ranges and just tag them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just based on just eyeballing it. So instead of something like this, I wanted to make this a little bit more smooth. So I exported this list into a CSV that looked like this, with all of that data, as well as these additional columns that included the score. Even though these are blank, I like adding this into ChatGPT initially, so it saves a prompt of saying, please add these columns into my data with all of this net new information that I'm trying to add in. This way it already knows where I'm wanting the data to be input. So after I uploaded it into GPT as a scroll up, first, I just let it know that I've attached this, confirm you're able to process it, just to make sure that before I tell it anything that we want to do, that it's able to see all the data within the file. It was, and then I provided this prompt that I need help with scoring columns to score the metrics on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 the highest value and 1 is the least. The scoring should be divided, the range of values for each metric equally, and while being as distributed as necessary. Previously, whenever I was trying to test this out, and I would just say to make the range into 5 equal parts, if there are any outliers in the data, like a lot of zeros or a lot of very high values, it would just mess up the overall scoring. So having it as distributed as necessary has helped make it a little bit better, which we'll get into. So it provided an initial sheet, and I asked for the ranges for each score, along with those number of URLs within each range. And whenever it provided this, I noticed in the top 20 keywords and the conversions, there was a lot of zeros, and a lot of those zeros were being scored across 1, 2, and 3. So I asked it to update those. All values of 0 can have a 1, all outliers can have a 5, and let's distribute the values in between among 2, 3, and 4. So after some back and forth a little bit, I had it provide an updated criteria for this. For some reason, the range that it included for this included -12 or 2, but I checked the file and I'm not sure where these numbers came from, but after just eyeballing the export that it gave me, which was this, there weren't any of those values in there. So maybe just a slight hallucination. But after getting all of these values just with those 3 prompts, I was able to, get these values all input. So we're easily able to look at which pages should be prioritized within net new content updates, or we can look at, just all the pages that had the highest keyword score and look through those as well. So this is how I've been using it. Let me know if there are any ideas for updates to the process or anything else. But yeah, thanks for watching.